one of them is that we're sitting on a very large technology estate that is mixed, diverse, and it is difficult you cannot change that overnight in one single go. So it is difficult to find a proper way to do it progressively. Obviously, managing the risk, making sure that we keep on protecting customers' data and customers' money, which obviously for a bank is very important. So finding the right strategy, the right way of doing this progressively, but steadily in a way that can be executed and can get the full benefits of moving to the cloud and getting the success of that. Well, it is a challenge. So obviously we are working on it. We hope that we will be getting the results, but we need to be patient because it's a very long journey and we might be only halfway there. So that's probably the main challenge in terms of it, the complexity and the need to be patient, to plan for the longer term, to do it in a progressive way so that risks are managed properly, and also the cultural change that needs to come with that, so that our people learn and become more and more confident with this new technology stack, and therefore can operate it better, and we realize the full value of it.
I think the services that you're offering is definitely in demand in the marketplace. I think the challenges that we're all facing is how do we adopt, how do we address the portability offering, how do we have some level of control, so the control plane concepts is something that there's definitely a need from us within the bank.
So we're at the start of the journey really, so we've only just announced a new technology strategy last year, which really includes a lot of stuff. One of those things is around moving from quite a traditional big monolithic architecture to a microservices-led one. So it's something that we're only just starting to work our way through. So tonight's been quite interesting actually, and quite useful to talk to a lot of people that are experiencing a similar thing, going through a similar process and kind of understanding a bit more detail around what we need to do to get there.
Work specifically in a group that is involved in computing risk for our businesses. The specific group that I work for is currently doing releases once a month, and we want to get away from that and try and do almost daily releases, which we haven't done. We haven't reached that target yet, but yes, that's the goal. That's the goal by the end of the year.
I thought the demo was really great as a way that the audience could interact, and GFT and Google could demonstrate the concepts that they were talking about in theory on the slides. So it's very disappointing I didn't have more people giving me money, but it was a good practice.
The technologies they showed today were really interesting. I could see them making a big improvement to the way we work and sort of stuff we do.
Yes, I was very impressed by the last demonstration. It was very insightful. I did know about a few things, such as Istio. I will definitely go over and look up that.
It was good. Yeah. It was very telling, simple. If that helps when something is simple, easy. So it was really very good choice of an example of a demo. Yeah, absolutely.
We definitely want to look into the testing aspect of it. So Cucumber is something that I saw pop up on your slides. We would like to be able to sort of test other people's software through our own software, and I think that's something that offers. So yeah, that's something definitely I would be interested to look into.
I think potentially exploring what the next event is. That we've got a bunch of people that are working on this, so it's around understanding what that project looks like, and talking to key decision makers really.
A conversation, obviously, so that we can talk about what probably is more urgent and more important for us in the bank, and also from the GFT side, what is it that they do better, what they see that
I think a lot of the focus now is on sort of lessons learned from the early adopters. So generally, the perception is that people that moved early are now rethinking about how they engage with the cloud. So I think some of those learnings up front would be great to allow the people coming on board now or coming on board for different use cases to understand how can they avoid those pitfalls of the past.